Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. This week started with the indecision candle, where we see here a candle with a large wicks on the bottom side and a small wick on the upper side. But the price, which has closed the week before, was above this decision level, and also the price on a Monday has stayed above the previous candle close. So this was also indecision on a Monday where the price will head, so it was not clear where will the price continue to move up based on the previous week analysis, or it will stay inside this downtrend channel, which is also a channel that is showing us a downtrend. After that, on a Tuesday, we see a large bullish candle that took the price outside of this downtrend channel and then closed the day above this horizontal resistance area, which is also a supply area where the price was pushed several times down. And then we see that the price has stopped right above this demand zone, which is currently a demand zone, before it was supply zone, and the price has stopped right here where is the area of indecision in the previous weeks. Then on a Wednesday the price continued to move up. This Wednesday candle, it is a bullish candle, was a confirmation that this breakout from the downtrend is valid, because this is area where is the confluence of a resistance that was holding the price to move up. But this strong bullish move and also the second candle after the breakout candle is a confirmation that the price has managed to go outside of this confluence of resistance. After that, the price has stopped here at 1.008, which is above previous highs when the price was trying to move on a higher level. This area here, and also especially this one here, is a decision level for the bulls in this area between this support and this resistance levels. So the price on a Thursday has returned back down with a strong bearish candle, and this strong bearish candle is a result of bulls going outside of this trade that pushed the price up, and also the reason why the bulls has exited from this trade is because of this large supply level where the sellers are waiting to push the price down. So the price reversed the direction and on Thursday returned back down, coming back here to this level where we had a small indecision between the bulls and bears on a Tuesday and Wednesday. So the price returned back here, and on Friday the price touched this small uptrend channel, but also this demand zone, which is now a support for the price. So previously supply level and also resistance level is now acting as a support for the price, and which is good to see is this Friday indecision candle that has opened and closed at the same price on a Friday and did not close below this small resistance and also small support area, which is now acting right now as a support. So this week the price has managed to go above this supply zone and also outside from this downtrend channel. So now the price is not in a downtrend, so we can see the price, it will be in a neutral mode where the price will try to find its way up or down. So we have several levels in front of the price, but also there are a few days until the month ends. So we need to wait until Monday ends, which will close the October month, and we will see where the price could move further. If we take a look on a monthly time frame, we will see what is happening. We can see that the price is above critical level, which for the month is 0.99134. This level is a support right now for the price. So if the price on a Monday doesn't close below, we will have a monthly price above this resistance area, which will now act as a support. And then what is the next level? The next level is 1.0920, which is pretty large difference between these two prices, but for a monthly time frame it's not too large. Before the price reaches 1.09 1.020, we have several levels where the price will stop. The first level is here, 1.005, then we have 1.020. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that the price is following these monthly levels. The level where the price is currently 0.99134, which is a monthly support right now. It is also a weekly support, but the next one is 1.0920. The first level for the week where the price could stop is 1.01368. So currently we have the price above this support level. For the weekly time frame, the first levels that the price will need to break above is this one, 1.003, and then we will see the price heading to 1.01368. If the price manages to stay above this support level, which is also a monthly and a weekly support level, it will be good for the price to stay and catch the higher levels. Then we will see will the price manage to move up and reach 1.01368. So on a Monday we need to wait what will happen. For the week, if the next week closes above this support level, it will also mean that the price will continue to move up. For now, as it looks, the price is above support level outside of this downtrend, so it is in a neutral mode until the price defines the next trend will be in a neutral, or it will continue to move down, or it will move to the upside. If we go to the daily time frame, we'll see the price what's it doing right now. After the breakout in the previous week, it was also moved from the downtrend channel. So it is in neutral mode, and we have seen that the price has confirmed this support level as a good demand level, demand zone, where the bulls will try to push the price on higher levels. Now the price will try to move to the higher levels, because we can see that this strong confluence of resistance has been broken, so I'm expecting the price will continue to move to the upside. But before that, the price will have hard time to break several levels, and the first level is around this one, 1.004, and then the next level where the price will head is this area where the supply zone is. The main goal for the next week is the price to avoid breaking below this level, because it will mean also on a monthly level the price will not break this resistance. But for now, on a monthly, on a weekly, on a daily time frame, the price is above critical level, so I'm expecting the price will stay above and continue to move up in the next week. So, as a final conclusion, wait until the Monday ends, which will end also a month, which will indicate will the price stay above and it will continue to move up, or if it closes below, then we will see there is a probability that the price will continue to move down back inside this downtrend channel. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!